What's up, everybody? Wanted to kind of give you a little update on what's happening here in the shop. As you can see behind me, I got my 76 Corvette right there. I got my 59 Chevy Apache right there. And let me show you this right here. And I got a pile of boxes here to unbox. So I'll kind of give you an update on what's going on here. So I bought a used LS motor, cleaned it up, and I'm getting ready to drop it into the Corvette. However, I'm gonna go ahead and do the old new oil pump, new gaskets. The oil pan has to be replaced because I need a shorter one. So that's in one of those boxes right there. But not all of those boxes are actually for the Corvette. So what I am gonna be doing here is, let me grab this light right here, is I'm gonna be doing some wiring, the big three they say, is what they call it on the truck. Truck has a problem with it. Sometimes it runs real good and then it stops. And it just started on me. So what I think is this gauge wire right here. Look how janky it looks. It's kind of crooked and bent. So something's going on there. I'm not sure if I got to shorten that wire or what. So, but it's definitely not as big as this here. So in one of those boxes over there, zoom into those. One of those boxes over there is all my wiring. I got new fittings, I got new connectors, new wires. So I'm gonna rewire it. Did a little research on YouTube and found a couple people that do the big three, run the ground to the chassis, to the motor, to the alternator, to the body. So I'm gonna run a bunch of wires like that and get that all connected. That's the first project that I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that done probably this weekend, hopefully this weekend. And then I want to get on this right here. I want to go ahead and get this all buttoned up. I want to get everything cleaned up and replaced. Put the new oil pump in there. I was going to replace the cam, but I'm not going to do that at this time. I got new valve cover gaskets. Again, I got the new oil pan down there. And then I'm going to set it into the chassis here, and then start shopping for a transmission. So. But yeah, that's a little piece about where I'm at right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll update you as more comes along.